Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn singular and plural noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. It means name of any person, place, animal or thing. When a noun means one only, then it is said to be a singular noun. As for example, cat means one cat. Boy means one boy. Bus means one bus. Folk means one folk. When a noun means more than one, then it is said to be a plural noun. As for example, cats means more than one cat. Boys, more than one boy. Buses, more than one bus. Folks, more than one folks. There are some rules to make singular noun to plural noun. Let us see rules one by one. First rule. By adding s to the singular noun, we can make plural just by adding s at the end of the word. As for example, cat, cats. Girl, girls. Chair, chairs. Flower, flowers. In all the word, we have just added s at the end of the word to make it plural. Rule 2. By adding es to the singular noun. So when to add es? Let us see. If the nouns ending in s, x, z, sh and ch, then we should add es to the noun to make it plural. As for example, bus, buses. Box, boxes. Buzz, buzzes. Dish, dishes. Church, churches. In all these words, hissing sound is coming. Bus, box, buzz, dish, church. So in this word, we cannot pronounce without adding a additional syllable. So we need to add es to make it plural. Let us see the third rule. By changing y to ies. If the noun ending in y preceded by a consonant, then y is replaced by or changed by ies to make plural. As for example, lady, ladies. In lady, lady. At the end of the word, there is y. And before y, it is a consonant. D is a consonant. So here we should replace y by ies. See the other words. Cherry, cherries. Baby, babies. City, cities. Rule 4. If the noun ending in y preceded by a vowel, Then we can make plural by adding s only. As for example, boy, boys. In boy, end with y, b o y, y, ending with y, and before y there is a vowel o. So to change into plural, we have to just add s at the end of the word, like boy, boys, key, keys, day, days, toy, toys. Rule number 5. Most of the noun ending in o preceded by a consonant. Then make plural by adding es to the noun. As for example, mango, mangoes, es is added. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Rule number 6. By changing f or fe to ves, some noun ending in f or fe can make plural by changing f or fe to ves. As for example, leaf, f is replaced by ves, leaves. Calf, calves. Knife, knives. Half, halves. Next, irregular plurals, where all these rules are not followed. Just see some examples, like ox, oxen, man, men, woman, women, child, children, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. Here, all this you have to remember. Thank you for watching.